So the hummingbird is back again today. Oh, he just darted off. Come back, come back, come back. Look at here, we have 3 of them. Yay. 2 males. Well, one of them flew away and 1 female. Oh, good, it's back. Okay. So what I did was I switched the bird food that I was using. I have, well, there's the hummingbird feeder, the red one. And then the other 2, I have only finch food in there, and those 2. Because there were grackles that were coming. Excuse the dirt on my windows. Yeah, look away. The grackles, come on, focus. The grackles were eating all the bird food. There we go. And, just hogging everything. And they're not pretty. If I'm buying bird food, I want to see the pretty birds. The goldfinches, the hummingbirds. I saw the hummingbird using the feeder the other day. I saw them this morning fighting over my hostas out front. Yeah, I'm excited like a little kid. I love this kind of thing. But I was just excited to see 3 of the goldfinches at the same time. That yellow feeder, that one, when I purchased it, it was filled with the goldfinch food. And it had it specified on it. That's how I knew that what type of food to buy for them. And they've been coming back ever since. I think this is the 2nd year that I've had the yellow feeder. And they love it. Yeah, see, they just dart in and out and they fight over it. Even though there's finch food in all 4 of the feeders that I showed you. And I mixed the food in the front because the grackles, there's a type of food that the cardinals, the red-winged blackbird, blue jay, even the woodpeckers like. But the grackles chase them all the way. They're like a gang of birds. They're like these shiny iridescent blackbirds that they just come in such great numbers and they chase everyone else away. Okay, let me see. Yeah, there's some other finches at the feeder. Not as colorful. The purple finch also likes to feed at these. But anyway, I adjusted the food that I put out there. I mixed the goldfinch food and a little bit of the other food that the cardinals like in order to deter the grackles, which I haven't seen them yet. So hopefully it's working. So anyway, enjoy. They're back again. Don't fight. See the one that has a red head, that, even though I see really no purple except for very, very small, it's called a purple finch. The one on the left with the red head. Let me see if I can get closer. And the goldfinch, the bright yellow one, that's the male. And I already told you about the purple finch with the red head, and the one beside that on the yellow feeder. That, I believe that's the female goldfinch. It's less colorful. But the males, you see the other one darting in and out, he's chasing them. The males compete for food, for females, same old, same old. But it's very interesting to watch the dynamics. I'm waiting for the hummingbird to come back as well. Let's see. Gracious, somebody needs to clean these windows. Any volunteers? The goldfinches like to feed early as well. As well as the hummingbirds, I should say. And the grackles, the one I talked about in my last video, they just gorge. They feed throughout the day. I can fill my bird feeders in one day they will be gone because the gang of grackles just comes and swoop through. So I don't fill my feeders. The only one I fill is the yellow feeder, right, that the purple finch is feeding from, because that lasts. It has a teeny hole and it kind of regulates the speed that it empties. But the two I have out front and the other three, where's it at? The other three, I only fill them halfway. You know, stretch it out, stretch it out. That food gets a little expensive. I'm a bird watcher. I'm a bird watcher. Watching birds go by. My. Enjoy your Saturday. These are the flowers that the hummingbirds love. The red flowers, those are called mother-in-law's tongue. That's the unofficial. And the hostas, they really love the hostas. And I don't know if you can see that circular, all those circles, that is a butterfly. There we go. A butterfly statue, if you will, made out of wire, and the butterflies, not the butterflies, the hummingbirds like to rest on that in between feedings. Yay! I'm out here about to do my nails, and this, oh, come back. The hummingbird, finally used the hummingbird feeder. I washed it out with it and put it out yesterday. That was the first time I saw him use it. Okay, I see him over there in a nearby tree, which it won't pick up on this video. But I'm hoping he will come back. Yay, my goldfinch is back. The cardinal was there a minute ago, but she left. This is outside my kitchen window. I wish I could get closer. If I try to go out there, she'll fly away. The goldfinches are pretty flighty. Here I have beautiful daylilies that are the same color as the goldfinch. And in the next slide, I have a dress that color. This was on my birthday. And this is also in my yard near my lilies. Here's the same area at night lit up. And here it is again during the day. Thanks for watching, subscribing, and liking my videos. Bye.